These days, startup and business are taking our businesses to new heights, and their rapid growth and expansion is not possible without use of technology. और digital landscape में rapid growth के कारण cyber threats और security breaches एक major problem बन चुके हैं. And our traditional system are no more efficient at countering sophisticated cyber attacks. For example, startup या small businesses जिसके पास dedicated cyber security team नहीं होती है, what would they do if there is a cyber attack on their website at night? Best they do is to take action on it next day. So, what's the solution to this? Octopidal Next Gen Endpoint Security, that is intrusion prevention and detection software. It uses machine learning to analyze network behavior in real time, detecting anomalies and user behavior. Our technology detect known and unknown threats जैसे zero day attack और एक comprehensive defense system देता है against cyber attack. Not only this, our technology gradually learns and improve itself over time. What makes us different from others? It's our capacity to provide real time monitoring. ये आपके नेटवर्क को real time monitor करता है. संगीन गतिविधियां होने पर आपको आपके स्मार्टफोन या आपके वेब एप्लीकेशन डैशबोर्ड पर तत्काल अलर्ट देता है. मतलब आपको एक पूरा कंट्रोल मिलता है. आप चाहे तो किसी को भी अपनी वेबसाइट या डिजिटल इंटरफेस का एक्सेस देकर या रोकने के लिए नियम निर्देशक कर सकते हैं, लाइक हु हैज हाउ मच परमिशन. और हम ऐसे इसलिए कर पा रहे हैं बिकॉज आवर सॉफ्टवेयर एंडपॉइंट सिक्योरिटी यूजेस लेटेस्ट एंड एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी. आवर टेक इज बोथ क्लाउड एंड होस्ट बेस्ड सॉल्यूशन. एपीआई की मदद से यह सॉफ्टवेयर आपके सर्वर पर इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा और वेब एप्लीकेशन के साथ इंटीग्रेट हो जाएगा. ऑन वन हैंड वी हैव कटिंग एज टेक्नोलॉजी, ऑन द अदर वी हैव सुपर यूजर फ्रेंडली इंटरफेस. आवर other strength lies in our ability to provide customized and cost-effective solution for businesses of different sizes. Our business model include freemium as well as subscription model and customized pricing, and taking a look at competitive landscape. While there are some intrusion prevention and detection solution in market like Cisco, CloudSec, etc., but none of them is from India, and they are complex to use, require separate skilled professional to maintain them, and they are very expensive. So we aspire to make our presence in market by offering superior and innovative products. We have a dynamic team of penetration testers, data engineers, ML engineers, our technology domain, as well as in operations and sales. And at last, coming to our future vision and plans, invest more in R&D to improve our technology for better, develop partnership with security firms to offer integrated solutions,